A lot of times when people see equations that have fractions in it, they have that fraction freak out. It kind of scares them and they sometimes get a little bit confused about where to start. The trick here is just to remember that a fraction it means division. So in this case, we have a 7 being multiplied by the x. We have a 3 that will be dividing that, and we have a 4 that is getting added to the variable term. So to solve this equation, we're going to still do BEDMAS in reverse. So we'll begin by getting rid of that plus 4. And to do so, we're going to have to subtract 4 from both sides. So we'll begin by taking our 7x divided by 3, and we will look at our adding 4, and we'll remember that the opposite of adding 4 will be to subtract 4. And remember, if we do it to one side, to maintain the balance of our equation, we have to do it to the other side as well. So there we go. Now what we've done is we've created some 0 pairs here. So because we know that plus 4 subtract 4 is just going to give us 0. So there's no need to write that anymore. So we'll just simplify our equation at this point to look like this. When we look at the right-hand side of the equation, we can do 18 take away 4 to get 14. Now, we're going to seek to get rid of that divide by 3. So remembering that the opposite of division is to multiply, we're going to take both sides of our equation and we're going to multiply each side by 3. Remember, if we do it to one side, we have to do it to the other side. So when we've done that, we're going to be able to cross-cancel these 3's because 3 divided by 3 will just give us 1. And that will leave us with 7x is equal to 42. At this point, it's looking really familiar, and we'll just remember that if we have a coefficient in front of the variable, that means that it's multiplying, and so we're going to need to divide both sides here by that coefficient, 7 in this case. What that's going to leave us is x is equal to 6. So there's how you solve an equation that has a fraction in it. Just think about it as division. Do the inverse operations as you normally would. Hope that helps. Bye.